Right now, this sawmill here was built in the 60s, but the Buse brothers, four brothers, started it in 1946. The new mill went in the late 50s, and last year we ran around 81 million feet through. We have 135 people working here, and we're running two shifts, a day shift and a night shift. We run Douglas fir, hemlock, and a little bit of spruce. Right here is the deck saw. This is where we cut the log. We have a double cut head rig, and we also have a single cut. The bigger logs go to the double cut. The smaller logs go to the single cut. Cut head rig, it's a 7-foot double cut. It cuts both ways, cut the bigger logs on this side. Right here is our timber deck. In hemlock, we cut a lot of railroad ties. The biggest thing that we can send out here is 24 by 24. The length is 24 foot long. What the timber deck operator does, he grades the timbers, and we send them out, and they pick them up with a forklift. Or if it won't make the order, we send it back into the mill, and it goes through the resaw. The things that we do here, everything that we produce, we sell. All the chipped, shavings, sawdust, hog fuel. We make beauty bark for flower beds. Everything that we produce here is sold.